the brains behind ChatGPT, unveiling the programming languages used to build the world's most intelligent chatbot. ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI, a leading artificial intelligence research organization. The team at OpenAI used several programming languages to create it, including Python, C++, CUDA, and TensorFlow. Python was used as the primary language for developing my architecture and implementing the natural language processing (NLP) models. Python is a popular language for building AI and machine learning systems due to its simplicity, readability, and vast libraries. C++ was used for implementing high-performance components of my system, such as the tokenizer and sentence encoder. CUDA is a parallel computing platform and programming model that was used to accelerate the training of my neural network models on graphics processing units, GPUs. Finally, TensorFlow, an open-source machine learning library developed by Google, was used to train and deploy my deep learning models. Together, these programming languages and tools were used to create ChatGPT architecture, train its models, and enable it to understand and respond to user inputs with natural language responses.